What's up guys, Section here back with another video. You guys seem to love some cool budget stuff. So in today's video, let me drop something that is not only cool but also colorful. If you end up liking this video, make sure to hit that like button. Alright. Meet the Transformer, an RGB gaming keyboard and mouse combo from Zebronics.
Sean, you said budget, but this says premium.
Well, though it says premium, you have a very good reason to watch this video fully, as this cool RGB gaming keyboard and mouse combo just costs Rs 1300.
Is it?
Here is the box retail pack. It has a few highlights mentioned at the back along with complete specifications. Opening it up, we have the keyboard and mouse in two separate compartments. Let's take the keyboard out first. Pretty solid. And the mouse. We also have a user guide. Alright, here is a combined look at the keyboard and mouse combo. Looks so robotic with its lights, aluminum frame and plastic build. I now know why this combo is named Transformer. Given that its looks are done to give it a nice gaming feel, kinda like a Transformer robot, hence the name Transformer.
Autobots, we're done.
Let's first check the keyboard and see what it has to offer. It is a full-size keyboard, so you get a numpad. Though it looks like a mechanical keyboard, it is not. It's soft touch. Keys look a bit raised, they are pretty comfortable, well spaced, and does not make much noise. It does have a few highlights. One being of course the usual multimedia function keys on top, and then a mode to disable the Windows key so you don't accidentally press that while gaming. Very thoughtful. You have indicators as well. Back you have two level adjustment stands to place the keyboard at an angle depending on your comfort level. Coming to the RGB light setup, it has 4 modes, 3 changing modes, each one lighted in a different pattern, and a separate mode to switch off the RGB lighting. Cool, isn't it? You also get to adjust the brightness levels. One thing to note is the light glows below the keys and does not illuminate the letters. Given the lighting, looks and all, it's a gaming keyboard, but hey, no one is stopping you from using it for casual use or to spice up your setup. The cable is 1.8 meters long, braided cable with a high quality gold plated USB connector. Overall, the keyboard was very responsive with my use. Now let's quickly check out the mouse. Look at this! Very compact and uber cool, ergonomically designed. In my use, I find it very comfortable even after hours of gaming. This also comes with a braided cable and a high quality gold plated USB connector. Comes with 6 buttons. The maximum DPI is 3200. You get a dedicated button to change the DPI from 1000 all the way up to 3200 as per your needs. A grippy scroll wheel and sides a forward and back button. This too has cool 7-color LED lighting which keeps glowing, kinda like breathing. Looks kick-ass. However, you do not have an option to control that. The optical sensor works on different surfaces, wood, plastic and even glass. That's nice. As far as the life goes, given that this is mainly for gaming needs, mouse is something we use a lot. Zebronics claims button strokes up to 2.5 million times. Whoa, that's a lot. Hope this lasts that long. If you ask me, is there something that I don't like about this keyboard? Well, given its price, nothing much to crib, but There could have been more lighting modes with illuminated keys. Minus that, I'm totally happy with this combo. Overall, for just Rs 1300, this is a nice bundle package if you're looking for a decent keyboard and mouse combo for your gaming needs or to spice up your setup. Or if you game on your laptop, this can be a perfect extension to your gaming needs. I personally think this is not just for gamers. Anyone can use it. Want to buy one? We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description. Alright, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, just hit that like button. Subscribe to TechSean for more awesome tech videos coming your way. We'll catch you in another exciting video. Until then. If you're not still following me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, why don't you do that for some awesome fun updates?